Welcome back to the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial, how AI tools for Photoshop save hours of work. Let's explore how AI can boost your Photoshop workflow. Start with generative fill to remove unwanted objects instantly. Use select subject AI to isolate people or products in one click. Try neural filters for facial retouching or color transfer. Use remove tool to clean up complex background. For ideas, use Adobe Firefly to generate texts or scenes. Combine AI generated background with manual edits. Automate repetitive resizing with batch actions. Let AI balance